how to download Capcut videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a quick and easy tutorial on how you can download Capcut videos. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, open your Capcut application and tap on New Project. Now select the video, and once you are on this page, you can edit the video using different tools from the toolbar. For example, I will use this effects feature in the Capcut. Now once you edit your video, there are two ways from which you can download Capcut videos. First is you can just click on this cross icon at the top left corner and the video will be saved in the Capcut under the project section. Now the other way is to just click on the little icon at top right corner and click on save to device. Once the video is fully exported, you can find this video in your gallery. I hope you guys understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.